Hi everyone, welcome to Chick Cooks again. So today we making bourbon chicken. Bourbon chicken means first one I know in the Asian food, Asian dish, in the actual whiskey, Chinese whiskey kind, in the put the ingredient and put in the marinade in the chicken. But so that kind of food and with rice, what noodle together mix. Little bit sweet, little bit spicy, little bit, and all of that kind in first one. Second one, in New Orleans Bourbon Street there in soul food, very similar in Bourbon chicken. So Bourbon Street, that area is people just for selling the chicken. So that is Bourbon chicken. But doesn't matter. I'm making actual bourbon and chicken in barbecue because we have 4th of July and Independence America. As soon as it's coming, we have a barbecue party. So that time I'm using. So now is someone making marinade. Okay, let's go. Making sauce. First, I'm making sauce. Green onion. This one, 1-2 soak. Very thin cutting. Half cup spoon, half cup brown sugar, 1 cup soy sauce, half cup water, half cup Hoisin sauce. If you don't have a Hoisin sauce, not big deal, but I have a Hoisin sauce 1 bottle buy last time, so I'm using 2. And black pepper, 1 teaspoon. And this one tip, if you don't have any garlic, just using the garlic powder, it's okay. I'm just a garlic powder leaving using again. I have put in the fresh garlic too. So now in the here, I put in the bourbon. So I'm using the whole and half chicken breast, so I'm using 1 cup. But if you don't like it, just a bourbon smell, half cup using. So now is the chicken breast. Just put in the marinade, it's okay. But this one put in the you have to put the marinade, put in the grill and long. So I'm just putting half. I'm using Bourbon marinade, 1 piece, thin, very thin, cutting, just a fry pan. And this one in the grill. So I'll put it here. This one is just a little bit fry pan in the straight fry is cooking. And this one in the we have 1st July we have a BBQ party. That time is.
Good job, Dad. Good job, Papa.
Thank you, Ari.
It looks yummy.
So we are done. So yummy Bourbon chicken. One more time. Look at this one. Look at
Look
this
at,
one.
look here. That's a good one. Okay, go ahead.
Please let